In this video, we will walk through installing and configuring the STid Mobile Application process. Once the mobile credential is successfully enrolled, STid will send an email to the address provided during enrollment. Navigate to the automated email and follow the instructions. By clicking on either Google Play Store or App Store to download the STid Mobile Application. Click on Install and then Open to begin configuring the STid Mobile Application. Once it opens, allow STid Mobile App access to the device's notifications and Bluetooth. These screens explain the features of the application. Slide through them and select Get Started. Once started, view the End-User License Agreement and Privacy Policy. Check the box and click Agree and Continue. In the next screen, you will need to input your invitation code. This code can be found on the email received from STid. Enter the invitation code and select Get Started. Validating of the code will start and say Redeeming. After redeeming the code, allow the STid Mobile Access App access to use the device location always. Once complete, select Continue and view the mobile IDs. The mobile ID will show the credential holder's display name, and if selected, a nickname field and details of the credential will appear. Select Notifications. All new notifications can be seen here. While most configurations are completed during the installation and setup of the STid mobile app, you can also verify and change them under the app settings on your device. In the Primo user interface under Reader Presets, the expected behavior for each mode such as Card, STid Tap, Twist and Go, and Remote Mode can be configured. The appearance of the app can also be changed here. The Help Center views leads to the STid mobile access information and support tools. Lastly, if need be, a client can deregister, which will remove all mobile IDs issued to them. Thank you for watching.